Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I just purchased this drone from Temu for $16. Like I'm sure all of you saw a lot of ad in Temu for a lot of drones for very cheap, and I was super excited. So I just got it for $16. I want to try it out as well. I am super excited to see. So let's see how it works. Before we start, let's check what comes in the box. It's really amazing. Like, the drone is only $16. So let's check what is coming inside this box. $16 drone. So this is the drone. As you can see, it's very light. It's very light. This is the drone. This is the remote, and no battery pack. Is the battery inside it? Oh, the battery is already there. So here is the battery. You can see this is the battery. I don't know how much will be the battery life. Very light. It's a very light drone. It's a toy drone, I believe. And this is the camera. So, and here's the instructions. I'm gonna go through all those. This is the remote, and they give something, I think, charger and few other things, so let me first charge it, and then I'll play this one. And looks like to charge it you need to use this one. This is the charging port, so I'm gonna use this to charge it. This is the charging port. Let me charge it. Let me put the batteries on in the remote. So friends, I charged the battery. Now I'm going to put it in. So that's done. I'm going to turn it on. So friends, now I'm going to turn it on. You see that is flashing. Now turn the remote on. So I turned it on. Oh, it's already moving. And it's done. So the calibration is done. Let's test it, how it is. So first I am turning it on. The drone is... Oh, it's not getting stable in the air. It keeps moving, which I don't like. It fall. So let me turn it on again. You can see it doesn't stay. It keeps moving. So you cannot actually control the drone. You need a space. It keeps moving. So it's very hard to control this one. Like, you cannot do anything when it is moving. You cannot do. So the problem with the drone is it keeps moving. You cannot keep control it. It keeps moving. It doesn't get stuck in one place or something. It keeps moving. So how can you play with it? Since I have a very small, very big place, but it keeps moving, and it's also not like following any direction or anything. So you cannot play with this. So it's not controllable, so I cannot use it. I have to return it. Let me now connect the drone to the app and see the video quality. I have to scan this. Friends, I don't want to connect it to the app because I think it's the app is asking a lot of ads, and I'm little bit scared of security. Like I don't know when and where I will be clicking. I just installed and deleted the app, and I don't like this one anymore because it's not steady. It's not steady. You cannot do anything. You cannot do recording with this. It's not steady. So, and it keeps moving. I tried little bit and it's very hard to play with it. So I don't recommend this product to anybody. So if you want, even I tried the avoidance settings, this one, to make it avoid everything, but it doesn't do that. It still hit a tree and then fall down. So I don't like this drone. Like it's $16, even I am thinking it's too much. Like spending, why should I spend that $16? I just removed that app, and the main thing is since I cannot control the drone, then there is no meaning of like having a video app on the phone, because it will keep moving. You don't have a chance to actually start recording or ending recording or see where it is. You have to keep your eyes on the drone and both the hands on the controller. Then how can you operate the phone and record anything? So that's I don't like. And also battery life, I tried a lot of battery life. It didn't work that much, like 5 minutes work time. So that's very bad. And also like another thing is avoidance. I tried avoidance, using avoidance, still it hit the tree, like over the tree. It didn't like avoid anything, it just went there. So I don't know like how the avoidance is working, so I don't recommend you this item. So friends, if you have any suggestion or any thought, please put it in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.